Hey there, hope you are having a wonderful day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to run HTML files using Visual Studio Code. So open your VS Code and let's install an important extension on VS Code to run HTML files. To do this, go to extensions and on the search bar, search for an extension called Open in Browser and click on the first extension and then click on install. This extension allows you to open the current file in your default browser or application. You can see here this extension is so popular that it's downloaded so many times. Now the extension is successfully installed. So close this and now let's create a new HTML file. So click on File and then Open Folder. Now I'm gonna create a new folder on the desktop and let's name it My Website. So select folder and then let's create a new HTML file. Name it home.html. Now let's type in a simple HTML code. So simply type in exclamation mark and hit enter. This gives you this template which you can customize your code. So let's change the title as My New Website and let's type in some text in the body. So let's say welcome to my brand new website. Now save the file and right click here and then click on open in default browser or right click on the file and do the same to open it in a browser. So you can see that this page is open in the browser as expected. In the next video, I'm gonna show you how to set up VS Code for web development. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.